Hello guys, in this video, I have prepared the best and most powerful free animation maker for you. You can earn $20,000 by making free animation videos and uploading them to TikTok and YouTube. Please subscribe and like. In today's world, video animation has become a necessity as one of the main tools to attract attention and promote content on the web, social media, online education, and even small and large businesses. But creating video animation has its own complexities and usually requires specialized manpower and high costs. In the meantime, Animaker site helps you as a powerful and easy tool to create video animations. Animaker is an online platform that allows you to easily create professional video animations using powerful graphics tools and ready-made templates. Adobe Spark site. We will cover features, capabilities, and the process of creating videos and video animations with this platform. From now on, be excited and join us to explore the world of animation and video. In today's content-filled world, creating quality videos for various uses, including education, advertising, and media content creation, has become one of the basic needs of many individuals and companies. But many people may face challenges that make it difficult to create professional videos, including the need for technical expertise, time, and cost. In this situation, Adobe Spark site comes to help as a powerful and simple tool for creating videos and video animations for everyone. Adobe Spark provides you with powerful features and tools that make it easy to create attractive and professional videos without the need for previous technical experience or high costs. Content. Animations are highly regarded as a powerful tool to attract attention and promote content. But for many people and companies, creating animations can be difficult because of the costs and complexity. In this situation, using sites that allow creating free animations has become an attractive option. Several sites that provide simple and powerful animation creation tools to help users create attractive and professional animations easily and without high costs. Site Powtoon is a powerful online tool that allows you to create professional animations using ready-made templates and simple graphic tools. Site Biteable is an online service that allows you to easily create professional animations and promotional videos using ready-made templates and a simple user interface. Site Animaker is an online platform that allows you to easily create interactive animations and promotional videos using powerful tools and ready-made templates. Site RenderForest is an online service that allows you to easily create animated videos, promotional videos, and social videos using ready-made templates and graphic tools.